Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Kami library for creating interesting worksheets and graphic organizers. You can search the Kami library by subject or by topic or by grade level, and there are lots of different choices for you in each area. But what I want to show you today is how to create a unique digital notebook for your students. I've chosen a notebook that has these nice little tabs on it and lots of blank pages to fill in. I'm going to add some science things to this one because I'm a science teacher. I can choose from my drive or I can choose from the Kami library, whichever one I wish. I'm going to do a little bit of both. First, I'm going to add a template for a lab and graph paper that both come from the Kami library and that I've already saved to my drive. I also want my students to have an option to take notes in a structured way, so I think I'm going to choose some Cornell notes. So from the Kami library, while I'm in the split merge, I can click on that and add that to my Tableau. All right, now you can see the things that I'm ready to add. I might need more than one blank page with a pink tab. I want it to be consistent for my students, so I'm going to go in and duplicate that page. So now I have two of those. And there's something I want to add on that blank page in a moment. I've saved it, and now when we look at it, we can see that I have pages I added from the split merge. On the first page, I'm going to just put a little introductory notes, and I'm going to call the tab bonding. Then I have the Cornell notes, then the lab report and the graph paper. On the duplicated page with the pink tab, remember I said I was going to add something. I'm going to add a graphic organizer, and I'm just going to call the graphic organizer compare and contrast types of bonding. When I go into the insert media icon on the toolbar, I have many options. I'm going to choose the Venn diagram with 3 circles, and I'm going to plop that right here, make it a little bit bigger for my students to be able to utilize well. And there we go. I've just created a chapter of a notebook that my students can work on and turn in. I can share it with them through Kami or via Google Classroom. I hope this was helpful and maybe inspired you to use the Kami library. You can contact me for help anytime